Dear students, you are welcome. Unit 2 Cells and Organisms. Lesson 2.1 Characteristics of Living Organisms. Let's start with question number 1. Match. Here in this table, there are 4 life processes: excretion, nutrition, sensitivity, reproduction. Here the meaning of each one of them. Okay. Let's match. Here, what is meant by excretion? The meaning, yes, getting rid of waste. So 1 with D. Okay. Here, nutrition. What is meant by nutrition? Nutrition means feeding. So the answer A. Sensitivity. Sensitivity means being sensitive to the surrounding. Yes, you are good. Letter P. Here, reproduction. Producing new individuals of the same type. So the answer is E. Okay. Number 2. Here for number 2, non-living things such as car often show characteristics similar to those of living organisms. Letter E. State which characteristic of living organism matches each of the description linked to a car. Here, burning fuel in the engine to release energy. Burning fuel in the engine to release energy. Like what? Like burning of glucose in cells, in our cells. So this is called respiration. Respiration. Okay. Respiration. Headlights that switch on automatically in the dark. Switch on automatically in the dark. Means what? Means sensitivity. Yes, sensitivity. Good. Filling the car's tank with fuel. Filling the car's tank with fuel means what? Means, yes, nutrition. Nutrition. Here, release of waste gases. Release of waste gases. Here, like exactly, excretion. Excretion. Okay. Here for letter B, identify 2 characteristics. Characteristics, yes, S, of living things that is not carried out by a car. What about Mrs. Gran? Remember with me, Mrs. Gran. Mrs. Gran. M-R-S-G-R-E-N. Each letter stands for one of characteristic features of living organism. M for movement, R respiration, S sensitivity, G growth, R reproduction, E excretion, and nutrition. So we mentioned similarity between human being or living organism and the car. Okay, here like respiration, here sensitivity, nutrition, excretion. So what is the remaining characteristics not mentioned for a car? Properties or characteristics? Offshore, here for example, growth not mentioned, and reproduction also not mentioned. Okay, the car cannot reproduce. Okay, unable to reproduce, also cannot grow into taller one. So here's the answer: growth and reproduction. Reproduction. Okay. Offshore cars needed for movement from place to place. Okay, but they cannot grow or reproduce. Okay.